Oh, he's not laughing as much. Big Lou! Big Lou! Big Lou! He's not liking this as much. He was laughing like crazy before. Big Lou! Big Lou! Big Lou! Oh, there you go. I needed to switch up the process. Big Lou! Big Lou! You see that? I got a few laughs out of the little guy.
What's today's date?
The 21st. He's almost 5 months old. He's a couple days off of being 5 months old.
It's November.
November 21st, 2013. Jonathan P. Wood is 5 months old. 5 months old, going on 30.
Oh, let's not say that.
Woo,
Hi.
woo. Say hi to the camera, buddy. Ready? Peekaboo! 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 Oh, he's not liking it anymore. You know what? This might help. Let's try the pillow. Watch your head.
He's gonna fall.
I'm watching him. Peekaboo! No, he's not liking it. He's
I
tired.
think he's tired. It's
He's
time
had
for bed.
enough peekaboo. He wants to eat and go to bed. Look how he can stand up. Look how tall he is. He's looking at his pillow. Jonathan, look up at the camera.
Jonathan, look at mommy.
Jonathan, look. That way.
Hi.
No, look that way. Jonathan.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah. Say hi to the audience. The audience of 5 people on YouTube. Go ahead. You're very popular. Say hi to your audience of 5 people.
What you looking
What
at?
is he looking
Hi.
at? He's camera shy. Look over there, buddy. The video's over there. What are you looking at? Hello.
Okay.
I guess he's
Say
had enough.
goodbye. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.